Next, well, text plays a major role in the web development as many of the readers have a clear look on your text. Well, you have to give the font size, you have to give the font weight, you have to give a lot of things about it. Therefore, it is an important thing. We first go with the font family. When I am discussing about the font family, there are two types of font family. First one is generic and second one is a family name. Generic families include sans serifs and serif, monospace and cursive and many of them. And family name include Georgia, Arial, Courier New, Times New Roman and many more. It look like a family tree. Here with this presentation we will discuss about it. When we are discussing about the structure of the family, it includes generic and family name. Generic includes sans serif, serif, monospace, and sans serif includes Arial, Verdana. Serif includes Georgia and Times New Roman. Monospace includes Courier New and Lucida. This is all about the structure. Now we will discuss about how to use these properties and values in our CSS files. Well, font family syntax. We are calling the p tag which we have used in the HTML, and we are giving the property name as a font family, and next we are using the font name and generic name. Means example I am taking, we are creating an font family with a Courier New as a family name and generic family as a sans serif. Means if you are calling the Courier New, you have to give the sans serif family name because the Courier New comes under the sans serif. Therefore I am using font family, Courier New and sans serif, which is giving the Courier New font to the text we are using in the CSS. Now coming to the font, I have created a p tag, and in the CSS I will call that p tag, and I will give some font family name using the font family property. First of all, I am giving some family name. Family name is Courier. Family name is Courier New. Courier New. And next, in the generic name, I am using the sans serif, and I will save it and I will open it and I'll reload it. As you can have a look at here, this is a font which got its font in the format of Courier New, which belongs to the generic name of sans serif. This is how we use the font family. I'll show you some of the different font families which we use. We also have Times New Roman. We also have Times New Roman in the sans serif, and as you can have a look at here, the Times New Roman font, the hello world text got its font as the Times New Roman when I used the font family as Times New Roman. And in the next section I'm going to cover using the Arial text. When I am using the Arial, Arial belongs to the generic family of serif, and I will show you. Arial belongs to, because Arial and Times New Roman are almost same, it is showing both of them as like this, which you can watch on your browser. And next I'm going to use the Verdana, and I will show you how it works. As you can have a look at here, the font actually changed into a different font of Verdana. This is how we use the font family. Now I am going to discuss about coming to the font weight. Font weight decides whether the text must be bolder or the lighter, or it must be a normal. It is decided by the font weight. Well, for that we use the property font weight, and we use the value. Value include bolder, lighter, bold, light, this much. And we can also use the numbers like a 24, 34 for lightness, and 2000, 3000. The font weight is used to give a bolder and a lighter font. For that we use the property of font weight. And here I am going to give some of the font. First of all I will start with the light font. Here I am using the font weight is light, and I will save it and open. As you can have a look at here, it is a font with the light weight. And next I am using the lighter. When I am using the lighter, as you can have a look at here, it's a quite lighter. When I am using the bold, it become a bold. When I am using the bolder, I will save it and I will reload the page. As you can have a look at here, the font gets bolder because we have used the font weight equal to bolder. Next, this is all about the font weight. I'm next coming to the font variant. Font variant includes the small caps, which is everything which is represented with the small caps is in capital letters, which is quite smaller than the normal text. Well, it is used to create a variety of a text, and for that we use a property font variant, and next we use a value. And values includes normal, small caps, and inherit, initial. Inherit means whatever the parent tag contains, that is get inherited, and initial means whatever the starting, it is get initialized. At last we have the normal, which is used to represent a normal text, and we have small caps. Small caps is used to represent a text in a capital form or in uppercase with a small font size. Now I am going to discuss about the font variant. Well, variant is used to create a variety of text. I will show one of them because variant we often will not use it frequently, therefore I am going to show only one, which is a small caps. Small caps, this small caps is used to create a text which is all the letters of them which are in a capital form, and next all of them are in a capital form and they are lighter in size. As you can have a look at here, I have created a text with a small caps. As you can have a look at here, every text here is in a capital form, but they are smaller in size. This is how the font family font variant looks. There are two types of aligning in the CSS. First one is a horizontal align, second one is a vertical align. When we are discussing about the horizontal align, we use the property of text align with the values like left, center, and right. Means text is aligned to either left, text is either aligned to the center, or text is aligned to the either right. This is all about the horizontal align. When we are discussing about the vertical align, we use the property vertical align with the values of top, middle, bottom, and baseline. Whenever we use vertical align equal to top, it will align the text to top, and next to middle, and next to bottom. And at last we use the baseline. Whenever we created any of the element in the HTML with the width and height, if you use the baseline, means vertical align equal to baseline, that text is aligned to the base of that element. Now we are discussing about the text decoration. We can decorate the text using the keyword or the property text decoration. Text decoration is used in CSS to make the text look like underline or overline or line through format and many more. These are the values of that text decoration. Well, values includes none, inherit, overline, underline, line through, and blink. When I am using the text decoration equal to none, it will just display a normal text. When I am using the inherit, it will just inherit the property of its parent node and it will just take that property. When I am discussing about the overline, it will just take a delete mark on that text which we are using, just a cross line on that text. And next we have underline. Just it will make an underline for the text which we use the text decoration equal to underline. And next we have the line through. A line is passed through it. And next at last we have blink. It will just make a blinking text if you use the text decoration equal to blink. And next we have the cut. Let's see how it works. In a CSS, with a selector you have to mention the text align you have to mention, and you have to mention where to align. I'm writing the center, and I will save it I will save it, and I will open it in default browser. As you can have a look at here, when I open it, the text is aligned to the center. As you can have a look at it, I have created a text with a hello world in the p tag, and I have aligned that text into the center. Therefore it is get aligned to the center. When I am saying I have to align the text in the right, I have to write here text align must be right, text align must be right. Then I will save it, and as you can have a look at here, I will reload. As you can have a look at here, the text align is at right. When I choose left, it is aligned to the left. As you can have a look at here, when I choose the left, and I will save it, and when I open in the default browser, as you can have a look at here, it is aligned to the left. This is how we align the text in the CSS. Now I'm going to discuss about text decoration. Well, we have a lot of values for text decoration, which includes none, inherit, overline, underline, line through, and blink. Well, we just go through it. We start with the text decoration. It must be with the overline. I just say it must be with the overline. Well, sorry, it has took 2 inputs. I just save it, and I will open it in a default browser, and I will save it. Well, as you can have a look at here, there is a text which is upon the there is a line which is upon the text. This is how we create an overline to the text decoration. And now I will go with underline. When I say text decoration is underline, I just save it, and I'll reload the page. As you can have a look at here, when I use the text decoration equal to underline, there is an underline for the text hello world. This is how we work with the text decoration, overline, underline. Now we will go with the line through. When I use line through, just look at it. I will save it, and I will open it in a default browser. As you can have a look at here, there is a text. This type of text we use in the HTML using the tag of delete, and we can create this text decoration equal to line through, and we can create this delete text using the line through, and the same text we can create using the delete tag in the HTML. This is how the line through works. At last we go with the blink. It is not supported for many of the things. Just look at here, blink. When I use this blink, well, it's not getting work because it is supported in some of the browser. We will go with them in CSS vendors. This is all about text decoration. Now, well, do subscribe our channel for regular updates. Thank you.